song for the broken hearted, a silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never.
This is the main CPU unit. This is the computer. This is the brain of the robot. Okay? Next to it is the welding unit, which controls the parameters that has current, voltage, and wire feed speed as the main parameters. Besides the percentage of gas and the material type. Okay, so the main difference between this robotic welding unit and the main handheld unit is this is synergist. Synergist meaning with this one knob you can change the current, wire feed speed, and the voltage, such as like this. If I twist this, it increases the current, the wire feed speed, and the voltage. And I can also reduce the voltage with this in the range. Another thing, you can also change from the robotic unit to a handheld unit, which give you the freedom of changing the wire feed speed only, like this. So the current follows according to the wire feed speed. If the wire feed speed is high, then the current is high. Then we can change the voltage with this. Okay. So this is the main interface for the CPU and the robot. With this interface, we can give the instruction to the robot on where to move and weld. The robot doesn't know how to weld unless you teach it on how to weld.
stood their ground.